My favourite thing about being a student is definitely the independence that comes with it. You're living on your own, you don't have your parents checking on you, what you're doing, where you're going. I really enjoy the fact that I'm studying and experiencing life properly for the first time at the same time.
So my life as a student has been, honestly, one of the best experiences to now.
Moving away from home for the first time can be daunting, but once you're at the accommodation and meeting your new friends, it's a really exciting year, or 3 years.
You learn to be independent quite quickly. You learn to depend on yourself.
It's an adventure to be a student. Like, every day just seems different.
I feel like as a student, I'm living my best life.
It gives you an amazing social life because you're around people with similar interests as you.
It's that sense of community which really gave me a home away from home.
You've got societies available through the university, sports, and I do recommend that you take part in those as well because it definitely gives you more out of your student experience. In Cardiff, the nightlife is very nice as well. It's quite good fun and there's always something going on, so you'll never be bored. There's constantly something to do.